Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we need to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize this ringtone and sound section, and the phone ringtone for SIM card and the one for eSIM is connected with the ringtone itself, obviously. So decide for which you want to change the ringtone and tap on it. And now, here we've got this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got this option Add Ringtone. So after tapping on it, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, it should appear in some of those folders, and you will be able to set it as the ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you need to simply tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So this is how it works. So let's pretend I'd like to set this Puddle Jump as my ringtone. So all I need to do is to tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.